Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone today? Hope you're very, very well. For anybody who doesn't know, I'm Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter Sapphire. And today I have a special helper because this is, will you tell everybody, who are you?
Caden, Nanny's helper.
You are, it is Caden and it's Nanny's helper. And we have got, the Whiff Box. I've just realised I forgot to switch the camera around so you see things the right way around. But never mind, we'll have to read backwards. So this is the February Whiff Box. I have been waiting for this. My order went through ages ago, but it got held up because there was another product that held it up. So I've been like, I need my Whiff Box. It's finally here. And Caden is going to help me open it and see what's in the February Whiff Box. Are you going to open it for me?
Yeah.
So, for anybody who doesn't know, the Whiff Boxes are a subscription service. And each month we get a different box. Right, let's show it that way. So it says Sent with Love. So each month you get a different box and they are £42. And they are full of fabulous Scentsy goodness. So what does it say on there, Caden?
Whiff Box, love your laundry,
and then it's in different languages. So it says, Whiff Box, love your laundry. Oh, nice. And if I read the back, can you read that? Or shall Nanny read that?
Clean clothes and loads more fun with Scentsy fragrance. We've selected fresh but breezy scents and products for you. Your February Whiff Box doing your laundry will be the best chore of the week.
There we go. Best chore of the week, doing the laundry. Well, it isn't normally, so let's see what we've got to make it even better. Okay, which product are we going to look at first?
These two.
Oh, the wax, of course.
Wax.
Hold the wax up, show everybody what the wax is.
Got cotton candy tail and clean breeze.
Do you want to open them and have a sniff?
Mm-hmm.
So Clean Breeze is one that I do know, and this is a really fresh fragrance. So it really does smell
I think
like
cotton candy's a new one, isn't it?
that is a new one.
Yeah.
So this one we've had before. So Clean Breeze is like, it's like having your washing on the line, literally. Is that really fresh? Is it nice? Do you like it? Oh, lovely. If you like all those really fresh fragrances, you are going to love Clean Breeze. I am very excited for this one. Can't wait to smell it. This is a brand new one, and this is actually, is that nice?
Yeah.
This is actually the February scent of the month. Oh, yeah.
It's like one of the brown ones, but pink.
So what he means like by that is often the sort of brown creamy waxes are sort of the bakery fragrances.
Yeah.
And you're absolutely right. So this is strawberries, caramel. That's why you're thinking of the brown one.
Yeah.
And sugar. So how, oh my goodness.
It's brown sugar.
Brown sugar, do you
Yeah.
think? And that's what gives it the caramel.
Yeah.
That's really nice, isn't it? Yeah. So we're liking that. So you've got 2 bars of wax. So cotton candy tails and
Clean Breeze.
Clean Breeze. There we go. What else is in our box? Oh, now hold it up so everybody can see it. I am so excited about this. For ages and ages and ages, America have had room sprays and we haven't had them here in the UK. Finally, we are getting room sprays. We are so excited. And this is in Clothesline. We could spray it now. Give it a little spray. Spray it across the room. Nice, you only need one. Oh, how fresh does that smell? You're going round to where it is. I can smell it just here.
I can smell it. It smells nice.
Smells gorgeous. So this is literally fragrance on the go. So you can take that, you can have it in your handbag. It's not for spraying on yourself. It's not a body spray. This is a room spray. And you literally, wow, that smells amazing, doesn't it? That does smell really, really good. And really strong. They are strong old things. So they're £11.
I think you just need one spray.
Just one spray, yeah. £11 in the new catalogue. Nice. So that is Clothesline room spray. Next, there is loads in this box. Look at that.
I got the washer with...
Washer whiffs.
Yeah.
There we go. So for anybody who doesn't know, if we gently open it, so these are in windowsill breeze. So this is all laundry fragrances, as I said. This is another lovely fresh one. Washer whiffs, I'm spilling them, are fragrance enhancers. And you literally put a scoop of these in the drum of your washing machine. Wow, smell that. Is that nice? Oh, you got, oh, they've gone everywhere. Yeah, I have spilt them everywhere. There we go. Never mind. So you literally pop a scoop of these into the drum of your washing machine and it enhances the fragrance. You will be wandering around the street and people will be like, whoa, what's that smell? That is gorgeous, isn't it? Really fresh. Really fresh. Do you like that, Caden?
Yeah.
You've disappeared off the shot. My goodness. And these are £14.50. Okay. So more stuff in here. Okay. So
Magnolia linen.
okay, let's read that for you. Magnolia linen. That was really close. That's a tricky word to say. Magnolia linen. So this is fresh with a touch of floral. I love the smell of magnolia. I used to have a magnolia tree in my garden and I loved that. So these are our scent circles. Caden, what do we do with these?
Put them in your car.
You do.
Hang them up in your car.
You put them in your car. You hang them up in the car.
So the top, like there's a front bit or back, and you can put it down and it smells.
Exactly that. So you just hang it from the mirror in your car and your car will smell incredible. So you've got a scent circle. So these are £3.75, the scent circles. There we go. Then we have
pink cotton. So it's a new one.
Not a new one. That one's been around a little while. Pink cotton. So pink cotton is fresh, but it's slightly fruity. It's strawberries again.
Like a Scentsy teddy. If you had one, you put it in. If it had a zip, and you could take it out and put it in. That's
exactly right. So these, they've got like little beads of fragrance in, and you pop it into your either your Scentsy buddy, like a teddy.
Basically like this. It's basically
grab one of the teddies. Grab the buddy. Grab the big one. So those are the little ones. Oh yeah, that will do. Yeah. And show people what. So this is one of our. Bring it this way, and that's got.
It's got nothing. I don't think it has anything in there.
It hasn't got anything in there at the moment. But you literally have a little pocket. And in there, you can pop your scent pack. But these are also great to put in your drawers. So you can pop them in your knicker drawer. Put it in your knicker drawer, Caden. Hang it up in your wardrobe. Anything like that is awesome. Come on, pop Hamish back where he belongs. That's not all.
Loads of Hamishes.
I know I've got loads of Hamishes. I like Hamish.
Small Hamish. Look, tiny.
Right, come on, back to the whiff box, you. Pay attention, Fog. One more product. How much is in this? £8.50, by the way, for scent packs. Yeah. I think that's everything once we've got that one.
There might be one more thing.
No, that's everything once you've got that. That's just lots of lovely paper.
No, you just got all over the floor.
No, I have just got all over the floor. Never mind.
We've got Scentsy Fresh. It's basically, you put that.
So, Scentsy Fresh, shall I explain what you do with it? Yeah. So, Scentsy Fresh, you spray on hard-to-wash fabrics. So, you could spray it on cushions, you could spray it on sofas, curtains, anything that you want to freshen up that you can't put in the washing machine. Okay, and that's, what's the fragrance? Can you read that?
Fiji flower.
Fiji flower. So, it's quite a fresh floral again, fresh floral. So, all of this, all together... Can you add up?
20.
So we've got £14.50 for 2 bars of wax, plus 11.
11.50.
That's £25.50. Plus £14.50 for the washer whiffs. 25, 30, £40, isn't it? So that's 40.
40.
Plus Scentsy Fresh is 12.
12, 40.
52, £8.50. So that's 60 to 50. And then 375.
375.
About £66, isn't it, in total?
So you get the box for...
And you get the box for £42.
42, so you use discount.
Yeah, there you go, discount. That's what he says.
Get this instead of buying that and that with that and that and that.
There we go.
You get a discount. Big discount.
So you get a big I'm going to get you to do more of these. You do get a big discount. Well done.
Yeah.
So all of this, whoopsie
Hello,
daisies.
Auntie Saf.
All of this is in, oh, it's Auntie Sapphire. Oh, yeah, I've just seen that. Hello, Sapphire. All of this in this month's Whiff Box. It's a good one, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is a good one. Right, we are going to get off and we will speak to you all very, very soon. Give everybody a wave. Say bye. And don't forget, give this a like. We're going to share it to the group. We will share it to YouTube. So if you're on YouTube, do give us a follow and do comment and tell us what you think of the box. All right? Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.